What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power, then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to ONEUS' Airplane Dance Practice. So, guys, we are back with some more ONEUS, getting into, well, the last B-side for now in this album. We will be skipping Come Back Home for a little bit of time. The reason is I actually only found out about this just a couple of seconds ago when I was because I always create the description and the title for the video before I actually, do my recording. So I was finding the link for what was supposed to be a lyric video and then also the official audio. But then I found out that Come Back Home is apparently a song that they did on Road to Kingdom, which is like the boy group equivalent of Kingdom. I didn't actually know ONEUS appeared on that show, but I was planning on actually checking that show out as soon as I get back from Korea, and that of course will be a Patreon show over on the Patreon. So as such, I will be skipping that song, that B-side, for now until I get to the point. I think it's the finale that they do the new song, or if it, at least it said finale. It said like Word to Kingdom finale. So I think it's like the ONEUS' finale song. So I'll be skipping that song until I've watched it over on the Patreon, which will probably be in like 12 weeks or something. So it'll probably be in a long time, but that's the reason why we're not checking it out. For now, we have a dance practice of Airplane. It is a longer video, so this will be a longer reaction. I'm excited. Let's get right into it. Airplane National Foundation version, okay. What is this, Noah's Ark? What's going on here? Alright. Two tigers. And what is... an Asian black bear? You can tell from the moon, the crest. Is it a grizzly bear then? Okay. Good. Come back bear. Nice, good one. For Come Back Home, I guess that was a reference to. It's not Noah's Ark. Just thought, with the animals, the old man. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that garlic. Garlic bread? Sure. Oh, but if you don't clear it, have to eat it. Oh. I see. What? Yeah. That's true. I will get immersed as well. Team Tiger and Team Bear. National Foundation holiday. I'm not actually sure what that is. Please do let me know in the comments if you know.
개천절에는 역시 환우이가 주인공이지. 하나, 둘, 셋, 천! 천국인가? 절! 절대 느리는 사람이 못 될
There's like an... Okay.
저희는 두 명이니까 환우로 해도 될까요? 아닙니다. 개천절. 하나, 둘, 셋, 개! 개! 구쟁이들아.
You national troublemakers.
전하에 호랑이를 쉽게 봤느냐?
하나, 둘, 셋, 절!
절대적인 우리 환웅님은
Okay. Alright. Good one. That's not what tigers do, surely. And bears don't really have much of a tail to wiggle, so... Yeah. To who we're eating, we deeply apologize. It really went... Is that poop? Look at the brown bear's tail.
자, 너희들은 인간으로 진화.
Ningen! Oh, that's Imagine if that was real life. A tiger turns into a human, but it's actually human just emerges. Oh. What? Is that actually part of the choreo? It was an airplane, I guess. Okay. I'm trying to listen to the song as well. It's pretty bad audio quality, but... Okay. That's a cool repositioning. The sensor switch was very nice then. Ooh. Okay, the beat is super cool. Okay. Hey. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Okay, this sounds so good, this build. Love this little walking they're doing. Oh, they're obviously having fun with it in this, but... Oh, what's this? Okay, I have no idea what they were trying to do then, because... Okay. The song sounds really good, even with this. Wow, okay. Oh, that node! Hey. Hey. Hey! Ow! Like an airplane! Well, not all of you did. Some of you didn't eat the garlic. So keeps on
저는 분명
folding.
개천절 컨텐츠 당군 아버지 환웅으로 나오는 줄 알았는데.
당군, the founding father. Okay.
할로윈 느낌이에요.
it does.
아니 제가 카메라 찍고 싶은데. 아니 여기 카메라 처음 나오지? 자 V하고 엄마 아빠한테.
What's going on?
보시기 있으세요?
Nope.
없어.
Seems like they didn't.
쓸만한 놈들이 없어.
I should have
아주 그냥
a lot here, Dan.
그냥 동물로 평생 살아야 돼. 쓸만한 것이 없어. 조선은 건국하는데 쓸만한 것들이 없어. 다 좀 부실혀.
Hey, well, guess we'll have to find new animals.
잘잘거리긴 하고.
그러면 진짜 역사로 돌아갔다.
저렇게 애교 부리긴 하고 저거 봐봐. 뭐 아까 애교 부리고 있었는데.
Well, you gotta to get the selfies. Since you have the onesie on anyways.
아마 이렇게 제어 피울 줄 알고 애들이 제대로 된 놈이 하나도 없어.
Man,
곰돌이도 지금
you
애교
woke
부리고
up and
싶어가지고.
chose violence.
홍국이요.
Ow.
싹퉁머리야. 싹퉁머리야. 사람을 사람을 만들어 춘다는 말을 듣지
And I would have got away if it wasn't for you, damn animals. Yeah.
나는 그냥 저 하늘에 떠 있는 달처럼 한결 같고
Okay.
사랑 듬뿍듬뿍
It's a
해주고
cool way of describing people, I guess.
달림 같은 사람들이 너무너무 좋아.
But I agree, I wouldn't marry any of the animals.
사랑의 달림들.
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. For the fandom and stuff, I do like that, but still.
환웅과 결혼하고 싶지 않아서
예끼.
마늘을 안 먹은 게 아닐까.
예끼.
네가 얼마나 매력 없었으면.
예끼.
Well, okay, that was the airplane dance practice. This reminds me a lot of what is going on with, you know, Mamamoo and stuff. And I guess that's what happens when you come from RBW, the agency, because it seems like they are all really crackheaded when it comes to the dance practices. This was very fun. This, you know, I guess is a reference to something that happened within this founding father story, something along those lines. Probably something along the lines of, you know, bears and tigers creating some kind of land after they turned into humans. I have no idea. If you guys know the story, please do let me know down in the comments. But other than that, it's a fun little dance practice, a fun video, although it's hard to obviously see what the full dance practice is. And I actually thought they were going to have just the, you know, the audio on top of the dance practice, but I guess they were just going with the practice room audio. So I didn't get a full taste of the song. I'll probably just listen to a studio version on my own. But at the same time, it was really, really good. Yeah, guys, that was ONEUS' very, very weird dance practice for Airplane. It was a very, very good instrumental for the song. That's what mostly I caught for this song. We also had a very, very nice high note from, was it Soho? I still am not too good at the names of the different ONEUS members, but I think it was Soho who did the high note or the powerful note within the song, and that was really, really good. Like, even with how bad the audio quality was, you know, going into a dance practice room and then back into the microphone, you could still very much hear how good of a note that was, because, well, it didn't really get distorted, even though it had to go through another microphone. Very, very cool, and a lot of fun with this dance practice. I saw for a lot of the recommendations from ONEUS, a lot of the other dance practices, they are also wearing costumes, so maybe I should check some of those out as well in the future. For now, let me know what you guys thought about ONEUS' Airplane dance practice down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.